As a driver, you can use MyLivestock to record Humane Transport Records for livestock movements. Movements will be assigned to you by your organization's dispatch users. You will be notified of assigned movements by email and dashboard notifications, as well as text message if you have set up your SMS details under My Settings. After a movement has been assigned to you, it will be visible on your MyLivestock dashboard on the Actions Needed tab. The dashboard will indicate the type of action required for each record. Clicking on a movement record will open it and allow you to complete the required action. If you are working on a mobile device, all of the MyLivestock features will be available to you, the same as they would be if you were working on a PC. For loading of livestock, you will be presented with an overview of the movement record where you can see summary information. If the origin or destination locations have been entered, you can view them on a map. The loading date and time will be defaulted to the current date and time. Animal information will be pre-populated for you, but can be adjusted if needed. If dispatch has pre-populated your conveyance information, you simply need to enter the number of animals loaded into each compartment before moving on to the next step. Note that you can add or remove compartments if required. The animal condition step requires you to answer questions relating to the condition of the animals to be loaded. If compromised animals are loaded, you will need to enter additional information about the compromised animals and what steps you took to deal with them. Once you have completed the loading workflow, you can click Submit. When submitted, the system will notify all involved parties that livestock have been loaded and are now in transit. Your dashboard will update to reflect the next required action of unloading. Once you have arrived at your destination and unloaded all livestock, you can complete the unloading action by clicking on it from your dashboard. Again, you will be presented with a summary of the movement record. If feed, water, and rest were provided as part of the movement, this information can be entered. When entering unloading information, you will be required to indicate whether all animals arrived in good condition. If some animals did not arrive in good condition, you will need to add further details. Once unloading details are complete, you can add any other notes that you wish to record, then sign and submit your HTR details. Doing so will notify all involved parties that livestock have been dropped off, and will email the receiver a copy of the transfer of care document. Your Humane Transport record has now been completed. Accessing the movement overview screen from your dashboard allows you to look back at movement details. If needed, you can view and print HTR details or regenerate the transfer of care document at any time within MyLivestock.